everyone. Well, this is the world's largest waterfall in Georgia. And very pretty.
We're at the bridge.
Okay, let's go down to Santa Rosa.
What do you see?
I felt like something on me.
Oh. So what did you think of the waterfall today?
It was cool.
Yeah? Can you tell us like what is cool about a waterfall?
Okay, what's cool about a waterfall is the rain from the mountains is making the water go down.
That's true. What do you think about the sounds?
I like the sound.
Yeah.
It's peaceful.
It's peaceful?
Yeah.
I like that.
This is where it starts.
Oh, okay. Show me.
Yeah.
Oh, over here. And then where does it go?
And then it goes here, and then it goes under the bridge,
Okay.
and it goes over there and falls down until...
Wow. And we can see the mountains. Very cool, buddy.
Alright, let's go.
You ready to go back to the cabin?
Yep.
All right. Tell everybody bye.
Bye everyone. Please like and subscribe to our channel.
What was that last part?
Please like and subscribe to our channel.
All right.